Millennium House is a daycare facility for the elderly and adults with disabilities. Adults come to Millennium House for a day of non-strenuous, however challenging and positive group activities. Primary caregivers, usually the participants' children or spouses, find that Millennium House is a reliable supplemental caregiver. That is why Millennium House has earned a reputation of your loved one's safe, dependable home away from home. Located in Bonita Springs, on Bonita Beach Road and US 41 in the Springs Plaza Shopping Center, the Millennium House facility is spacious, with ample room to maneuver around with canes and walkers if needed. Millennium House has a certification from the U.S. Department of Health and Human Services, Administration on Aging, and the Northwest Parkinson's Foundation as a Parkinson's-friendly center. Let Millennium House become your loved one's home away from home.